Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Microsoft Teams with Gmail account. To begin, open your web browser and go to google.com. Starting from Google is a simple way to find the official Microsoft Teams page quickly and avoid landing on an unrelated website. If your browser is already open, you can simply click into the address bar, type google.com, and press enter. Once you're there, make sure you are already signed into your Gmail account in that browser. This is important because when you use a Gmail address with Microsoft services, having the account active in your browser can help make the sign-in process smoother. If needed, check the top corner of the browser window to confirm that your Google account is logged in before moving on. Next, type Microsoft Teams into the search bar. This will bring up the search results for the Teams website and related Microsoft pages. Take a moment here to look for the official Microsoft Teams result. In most cases, it will clearly show Microsoft branding and mention Teams group chat or collaboration software. When you see the official result page, click on it to open the Microsoft Teams website. It's a good idea to use the official page whenever you are signing into any service, especially when an account is involved. This helps ensure you're in the right place before entering your email information. After the Teams page loads, look for the Sign In button and click it. This will take you to Microsoft's Sign In page, where you can begin accessing Teams with your Gmail account. At this stage, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. If Microsoft asks you to enter your email, use your Gmail address. Depending on your account setup, you may be guided through a few confirmation screens before reaching Teams. As you continue, just pay attention to any instructions shown on the page. Sign-in screens can sometimes vary slightly depending on your browser or whether you've used Microsoft services before, but the process is generally straightforward. If a page takes a few extra seconds to load, that's normal. So give it a moment before clicking again. And that's it. By opening your browser, confirming you're logged into Gmail, searching for Microsoft Teams, selecting the official page, and choosing Sign In, you'll be on the right path to using Microsoft Teams with your Gmail account.